Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Stefan, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash the like button if you find any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any. And let's just keep it simple, short, and make it friendly as possible as always. So, as you can see right here, we have XTZ with the USDT, or Tezos token with the USDT token, or the Tether token. Basically, Tezos right now is hitting a price of around $3.44 today. We are down nearly 11 cents, or 3.10% down. So this is moving in my favor. This does not mean that this will be happening. I know we're building enough pressure for this to just maybe go grab the liquidity down there to that 230 240 level. I will just put it to 240 right here. Just like that, to that level, and then push to the upside. But this is just like that. I think that I will be putting a new prediction line right there, so make sure to stay tuned, and also make sure to like, subscribe, because I'm giving you daily thoughts and updates about the cryptos and stocks that you like and that you suggest in the comment section down below. So yeah, I will highly appreciate it, and I think that you will gain something from me, as well as my opinions and my knowledge. If you see yourself like believing in the same charts as me, make sure to subscribe though. And yeah, if you want to earn some free stuff too, make sure to go into the links in the description, to the comments down below, into the comment section. And yeah, this is basically it, guys, and I will be seeing you soon. Peace. Make sure to like and subscribe though. Oh, also, I'm not a financial advisor, and make sure to do your own due diligence.